Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Hey guys, so we're heading into Johnston Canyon right now. So it seems that there are two trails. One goes to the upper falls and one goes to the lower falls. Dorothy and I aren't feeling too adventurous, so we're gonna head to the lower falls, which is not too far, and then hike back so we can head back to the hotel before night falls. Here's a map, and we're on our way. We'll bring you with us. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we've made it to the lower falls, as you can see. I'm gonna get you guys a better view of it shortly. Quite a bit of tourists there as well. And guys, look at the rock formation right here. That's amazing. And the water is just as blue, guys. So it has that turquoise look that we saw at Peyto Lake and also Lake Louise. So Dorothy and I are gonna trek up onto the upper falls to see what it looks like. So it's not too far, it's just up here, and you can see the railing up there, and we'll basically follow the trail and show you the upper falls as well. All right, guys, so 1 hour and 20 minutes later, here we are. We hiked to the top. So we're at the upper falls at Johnston Canyon. Okay guys, so that's it for the hike of Johnston Canyon. We've made it to the upper falls and you've seen it, so we're gonna head back home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like or subscribe to this channel to see more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Bye.